This guys, I'm going to show you how to create Google forms. Like I'm going to show you how to create forms using Google, and as well you can be able to get responses from your audience. In order to do that, what you have to do is to go to your browser, any browser at all. I'm using Chrome here. What I have to do is to click on this search bar and I'll search for interforms.google.com. Click on go, and oh, sorry. Let's check that out again. Forms.google.com. That's the right URL. So once you click on that, it will take you to this face. Now, let's say you want to create a form that can help you get responses from your audience, or as well, let's say you want to even make money by creating forms for organizations and the rest of that. So you can even do all these things using your mobile phone. You don't really need to have a system in order to create a Google form. You can use your mobile phone to do that, and as well you can get responses an audience. In order to do that, this is what this video is all about. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to do or set up any form at all you want to create. To do that, this is the dashboard, or this is the interface you are going to see once you come on Google Forms.com. Here I can click on, as you can see, this place says untitled form, so I can click on here to title my form. I can click on here to change the title to something like, let's say I want to get response for my students. So let me wipe this thing off. Let's say I want to get a response from my students who attended my affiliate marketing class. So I can say this is an affiliate marketing response. I'm creating this form in order to get a response from them. So I can write a description. This is an affiliate marketing, response form. Now, once I'm through doing this, I can make this text to be in a bolded format. What I have to do is to highlight it. Once I highlight it, I can click on this bold here. As you can see, the text has been bolded. Or I can click on slant, and as you can see, it will be in a slant form, in an italic form. This is various ways you can be able to do some tweaks on this form in order to make it look unique. I can equally add a link. If I click on this tab here, I can link it. Let's say I want to link it to my website. I can do that as well. Once I'm done doing that, I click on open and it will be linked, as you can see. So this is how you can be able to use Google Form to create a response form for clients, for companies, organizations. Now, once I'm through with that one, then I'll come down to create the questions that are required. I have your untitled question. I'll click on that untitled question and I'll clear that one. Let's say I can ask the question, how was the free training? I can ask the question there. Let me put this there. Now, once I ask the question, I have multiple choices that I want to get the response from. For instance, I will click on this drop down. The question or the answer required can be in a short form, which is short answer. And this short answer can be in about, let's say, a sentence or thereabout. And also, if I don't like this short answer, I can say, okay, they should give me a paragraph, which is long answer test. Or I can say, okay, I don't want it to be in this format. I want it to be in a multiple choice format, which is either I have option one, I can add an option one for them to answer a question, or and I add an option two, I can add another one, and the rest of that. So this is how you can be able to create. Or I can even click on that, click on check boxes and make it a checkbox. There are many things that you can do. You can even add file upload in this Google Forms. This is how you can be able to create Google Form using a mobile phone. You don't even really need to use a PC. You don't need to use a system to do this. Once I'm through creating, let's say you have created this one, you can make this one required. Let's say you want to make this session required. You just click on this required here and it will automatically make it required. That means the person answering the question on this form must answer this particular question. If you want to still delete this tab, you can just click on here and click on this remove, or you can duplicate it in order to easily create your forms. So this is how you can be able to create your forms. In order to add more, you have to just click on this plus icon down here, this down part here. You just click on that plus icon here, and once you click on, another section will pop up and you can continue with the questions that will be needing a response from. This is how you can be able to create Google Forms and get responses from your audience. See you in the next video.